VLC is a powerful and versatile tool that can play almost any media file type. Having this tool as a default option in Windows allows you to play any file type easily. I am Hemant, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're going to explain how to make VLC the default media player in Windows. To make VLC player as your default media player on Windows 11, head to Settings, and for that head to Start menu and then press Settings. Other way to open Settings is by pressing the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you are inside Settings, head to the Apps option from the left panel, and after that select Default Apps. Here select VLC Media Player and you will see several file types displayed on your screen. Now to change these file types default player, just select the file type, select VLC Media Player and then select Set as Default. Remember that you don't need to perform this procedure for every file type that is mentioned on the screen. All you have to do is select the file types that you normally prefer and then change it to VLC Media Player. Another way to set VLC Media Player as default is by opening a media file. For example, let's head to D drive, and here we have a .mkv media file. Right click on it and then select Open with. Here just head to choose another app. After that select VLC Media Player and confirm by pressing Always. Now anytime that an MKV file will open, it will open in VLC Media Player. And that's how you set VLC Media Player as default in Windows 11. If you like these videos, consider subscribing to our channel, press the bell icon, give us a thumbs up and tell us in the comments what are the videos you want us to make. To know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, and this is me, Hemant, signing off.